Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video, we are going to see pipes. So, how we have to use pipes in Angular, like how we have to create, and what is meant by pipes in Angular. What are the built-in Angular pipes we have? Like Angular providing some pipes by default. So, what are those? How to use that? And we are going to see in this video the practical examples. So, we also have a custom pipes. Also, we'll do video after this video about that. So as you all know that we have started Angular tutorials, like we have covered so many concepts till now. If you haven't watched those videos, please go to my channel and check out the playlist where you will find Angular tutorials for beginners and also HTML tutorials and CSS, JavaScript, jQuery and SQL tutorials. So everything we have playlist. Just check out all those videos. So any of that video may help you to get the things better. And let's get started into this Angular pipes. So basically the pipes concept in Angular is referred such as like referred to as a filters. Likewise only it helps to transform data and manage data within the interpolation denoted by this so you can see this slash mark, like a straight slash. So by this the indication will be like this. If we say that, then it is denoted as pipe. So this mark is denoted as pipe in the interpolation. So basically pipes are like simple functions to use in the template expression to accept an input value and to return a transformed value. If you are giving some value, then it will be transformed and changed into a other format. Likewise we can do such kind of transformation by using pipes. Like this pipes is basically transform data with the help of pipe. Likewise only, so pipes are useful because we can use them throughout your application while you are declaring each only once. So some are custom where you can define only once, and some are inbuilt, so we can use every time wherever you want the same pipe. Likewise in our entire application you can use so many number of times if it is once declared. Likewise, so pipes can be parameterized also. Some pipes are parameters and some are not. The specific pipes have parameters also, and also we can create custom pipes. So these are related to definitions. When we see the real example, so you will understand the definition of these pipes exactly. So I am using Stackbase website in up to my tutorials. In all videos I have used this only, which is a very cool website, which is a full stack IDE, web development IDE, where you can create any JS environment within milliseconds. I'm just clicking on Angular TypeScript so that my application of Angular will be created within less time and within milliseconds of time. So let's see, this is the default component which you will get in Angular, that is app component, and app module will be there. And also here some things are will be there. For example, if I want to add one variable which is called I'm just adding one title variable here, which is of a string type. So TypeScript is nothing but where we define data types also. I'm just defining title as string type, which is called pipes in Angular. So this is the thing which I have given as title for my app component. So here, so nothing is there, right? So I'm just displaying the title here in this page. So pipes in Angular, which you know, right? String interpolation, where any TypeScript property can be referred in input, like binding from a view to a component can be done by using this interpolation. What we have binding concept. So string interpolation, in that we can use pipes. The format of pipe is here, like this symbol. If we give this symbol, and again after that we have to mention the pipe. So pipe is nothing but to transform. If it is string type and it is like that, if you want to change into other type, like for example uppercase, I want to modify this title into. So you can see pipes in Angular, which is changed into uppercase. Previously it was not like that. I will show you how it is previously. So previously we don't have this uppercase kind of thing. No such kind of what we called as pipes. So previously we have the pipes in Angular. Likewise, and now uppercase is added, so it is like pipes in Angular. This is called pipes. You can also do the same thing with using functions. I will show you that thing also. Like if it is this concept of pipe is not present, so how you will change the string, because in the HTML you can't change the title or like this. Whatever you want to modify, that thing you have to modify using functions only. Like to uppercase, to changing uppercase, I'm using some function name to uppercase. So in that what I have want to do is wherever you have to give pass the data, passing to this lower uppercase is changing, and how we are changing this to uppercase is the function, right? See, by this you are changing, and I'm just have to call this method in which I'm giving title here. To uppercase method is the return. It has to change to uppercase, right? So what for that we have to give is, yeah, for that here we have to give is to uppercase. So function name we can change like what we can add change to uppercase likewise. Change to upper I have given name like this. So whatever the function we have giving, I'm just adding here and passing title to that, and the return type will be comes in that place. So you can see pipes in Angular we have done through a function which is a change to upper, title we have given input, and ts whether we have return type to uppercase. So instead of writing one method for each and every operation, it will be very risky if you are creating any big application. So instead of that, just by using a inbuilt pipe which is called uppercase, then we can do the same thing within a simple second. So we use pipes basically to transform the data from one form into another form. So in pipes also we have different kinds of pipes, like parameterized pipes are there, and normal pipes are there. These are the normal pipes where we have upper and lower cases like kind of things. So see, here we have pipes and kind of thing, first one capital and that is right. If you given lower case, then everything is lower, like you can see that thing here. So till now what I have seen, normal title is there where I am changing to uppercase through a function, and also uppercase through a pipe, and also lowercase through a pipe. So these are the normal things which we have. So after this lowercase and pipe uppercase, we have some other inbuilt functionalities. We have seen lowercase and uppercase, right? So one more thing which you have to know about is slice kind of thing. Let's see that. So how we do slicing likewise. So if we have the same title tag, if you want to slice it, the slice is the one such kind of thing which is having parameters like colon 2. If I have given colon 2, then what it will do means it will slice up to two elements, like it will give the slicing of two elements which are present from like second place likewise. So you can see ip is missing here, so it is slicing those things. So first two letters will be gone likewise. Next, slicing, we have not only one parameter, but we can also do with two parameters. I'll show you that thing also. I'm just giving breakpoint here and slice 2 colon 5. So this what will happen? You can see here. Uh, See, PES is coming after that. We have missing everything. So from the second element starting, and it will have to. Here you can see first two elements is missing. Like slicing of first two elements is happen in the first one, and after that from first two element and from last. So whatever in the last five elements is has gone. Third, fourth, fifth. After fifth element, everything is gone. So like that slicing. So first this one from last fifth. So the between information will be sliced likewise. This is called parameterized. What we call as pipes. We can also have parameters for specific pipe. Here slicing will have some parameters likewise. So let's see other thing. So other thing what I want to show you is number. Uh, Number pipe. So let's see that number pipe. For that we I have to add one number here. I have added num type, which is of any type I have added. Just giving 895. Like I'm not telling that as a number. I'm just giving like this some number format. So how that will change if I give as number likewise. Just adding num, and here the pipe is pipe num pipe number. So let's see how it is saying. We can see it's giving comma. It is indicating that are converting that normal data into any data into a number type. Here you can see number. So if I give the same number as decimal, how it is changing? Let's see. I'm just given as decimal. What is the decimal pipe? CIML decimal, right? No pipe with decimal. So decimal we don't have. I think something is wrong with that. So we have to see another thing which is called what we can say currency. Here we have some value, right? So same value I want to do with the currency variable. We have currency, right? So when I give currency, it's showing like dollar and decimal value as currency. So this is fine, right? Currency decimal thing kind of thing. So currency is there, currency pipe we have seen. So for this currency also, it is also parameterized. We call it as like we can tell in which currency. By default, it is telling dollar, right? So we can give the value so that it will give you in that currency itself. I have given like INR. Here you can see Indian dollar value. We have got an output. So similarly, not only Indian, we can also give any like you are like European, like euros. So you can see three different types of currency. This is by passing parameter. This is a parameterized piping. So slicing is there in uppercase, we have seen slicings, we have seen number, we have seen currency, we have seen. And what we are missing from here, JSON. I will show you the JSON kind of piping. So we use mostly JSON kind of thing while dealing with a huge amount of data. For example, user data I have, which is of any type, like we have name like Raj. Next we have name after gender, he will be there, which is of male. And next we have age as 20. So these values are there, which is a normal any format. We don't know whether what format it is. If you want to display this thing, like array kind of thing in a normal in view, how it will give you, it will want to give you like, it's not in normal parameter, right? It has an object array parameter, so it will give object. If you want to display this thing, then you have to pipe it, you have to transform the data kind of thing. I want to change it with a JSON. So you can see the output here, the name, gender. Sorry, I think I have given name, gender spelling wrong. So you can see name, gender, male, and age. You are getting in the JSON format. Otherwise, you won't get that like object. You are getting only by adding this JSON pipe only. You are getting it in a JSON format. So likewise, you can change. This is the JSON pipe. So after that, what are the pipe we have left with? Its date pipe. Let's see the date pipe, how the date will work. So for example, for date, what I want to do is I will just add like today's date. So today date of any type. So what I want to do is I will just add value of that as date function I have added. Like I'll just take any type. So date method will give you the today's date into this today variable. If I print that in the view, let's see what will come in that date. So see today date, you can see November 29th and big date in the GMT and everything is coming. But I don't know all those information. I want to like pipe it, like I want to transfer the data into normal date form. Then I will give pipe date. Then you can see the date has came here November 2022. So this is called piping. For this date also, you it will be parameterized. For example, if date you have given, so that too I don't want. I in that also I will want that in a different format. So that format you can also specify, like how we have to get this date and month and also year. In this format I want to get. So you can see you are getting also in this format date and month and year. So likewise you have to get like this. If you give double M and double D, like two digits for those numbers, that will also you can do. So like this you will get the results for this today's and kind of thing. So this is all about pipes which you have in Angular. So now what we're left with, the thing is called custom pipes. I will do another video for that because it will be lengthy so much. So normal pipes, just refer one more time. So pipes in Angular are defined as filters instead of having functions and adding. So see, we have uppercase and everything. So if you want to change everything, like adding each function for each individual functionality, if your is a big application, then you need so many number of pipes and date conversions will be there. For everything, you can't write so many number of functions. So to make your work easy, these pipes are came into existence. Without pipes, also you can do the operation which you want to do, but with pipes it will be easy for you to do that kind of things. Pipes can be parameterized, and also you can create custom pipes for yourself. And one more concept in pipes what we can do is piping, like what I told you, right? Which is called pipe chaining, like pipe chaining, or applying two pipes at a time. Two pipes at a time, how we have to apply, I will show you. So for example, we have this example, right? We can use this example only, which is have user data JSON kind of thing, right? So here what I want to do is, so here JSON is there. After that, I want to add one more thing, that is uppercase, so that the response which you are getting in the JSON format, I'm just uppercasing that all the things, and it's uppercasing. Like that you can do, or I want to change it to lowercase. Then also that can also I can do. So this everything is lowercase likewise, or uppercase, it will be fine. So like this we can write chaining also we can do. For example, if you want to change it a number, and then I can add it to also a currency for that, so that the number will go on a change it as a currency. So likewise we can do like chaining of pipes we can do, applying two pipes at a time. Likewise, this is called pipe chaining. I'll just add here, this is called pipe chaining, this one, this example. So this is all about pipes. I think everyone is clear with the pipes, like how we can do pipes with different examples. So that's all for this video. If you hope you like this video, give a big thumbs up below. And if you have any doubts regarding to pipes, feel free to comment in the comment section, and share this videos to your friends and colleagues who are at learning stage of web development. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.